So now once that we have the feed off, we're gonna start to do the electrical and the hydraulics. So usually always run with a paper towel. You see the tips. It's always, if it stands outside, dust and all that and dirt will accumulate to it. We're gonna clean that off really nice, so this doesn't contaminate our hydraulic oil and damage the connections too. So there's two things that dirt and that can do it. So this one here, most of the time I got everything marked. So it's gonna go into the number one. So got the number one. Then what else we got? We got two more here. This is the fold and unfold, the toolbar. The same thing. We're gonna clean it up, make sure tips are free of dirt. And that. And this one we're gonna put the number two. So, and later on, if they are inverted, we can switch it back to make more user friendly when we are working with the machine. And then last, this is the hydraulic fans. It's not on the tool here, but it's on the air cart. It goes all the way back to the air cart that runs the fans for the fertilizer. So this one, just for demonstration purpose, I can put it right here. So that's our hydraulic. But as I was saying before, the most important thing, whatever you connect, if there is a case string, put the case string on it. And in this case, we have also a case string, and we have the standard in all our equipment. It's a flat face. We changed everything on the tractors and on the equipment so that it doesn't matter which tractor you're gonna hook to this equipment, you're gonna have the same connection for the case string. And in this case, the case string gonna be on this side. So make sure it's clean, and then you just connect it case string. Make sure it's hooked. And then we have the electrical part of it. So this one, it's actually the one that's gonna run the whole Raven system for the anhydrous system. That it's the white valve and control valve that you see on the top. It's a flow meter and everything. That's the Raven system, and that's run through those connections here. This here is just the standard electrical connection for the lights and supply voltage for the back. And there is another one. Let me see where it is. This one here runs then our monitoring system. For each hose has a sensor, and it's a wireless system. And this is the one that provides powers for the units back there, so we can maintain control. When if a hose get plugged up, it's gonna show us on the iPad. If something happens and it's not flowing anymore, it's gonna show us on the iPad. The operator can see immediately that something is wrong on the back. So we're gonna hook those three too, so you guys have an idea where it goes. So let's start with the iPad. That goes right on here. So that's hooked. This one goes right here, and this one goes right back here. Let me see, there's a right way to put this, otherwise it will not plug it in. So everything is hooked except the safety chain. The safety chain I will not put yet. I still have to put a safety for the safety chain so that the safety chain stays on it. And basically what we have was just hook it up their units. Always make sure that the hydraulic connections are clean before connecting to the tractor. Check also the tractor side of it. That sometimes if they don't get closed here, there's some little flaps to close and open the SCV port. If that's dirty, please make sure that that's also clean to avoid any wear and tear unnecessary on those connections.